diving inward. In the tumult of this earthly scene, with distractions that leave us unclean, there's a sacred refuge, a place to abide. By diving inward and casting aside the clamor and calls of the world without, its myriad voices that breed doubt, we turn our gaze to realms within. A journey upstream gains the current spin. With each breath savored, a deeper dive into the essence that keeps us alive. Beyond the turbulence of thought's rough waves lies an ocean of peace that forever laves. Diving inward, surrendering all, shedding the masks, letting ego's walls fall. No longer bound to the roles we play, stripped bare to the light of day. In the depths of our being, a brilliant fire burns, the eternal flame for which our soul yearns. United in oneness, no longer torn. Our divine nature, our truth reborn. So leave behind the world's loud appeals, and dive deep, my friends, where truth reveals. For inside you'll uncover a sacred space, the precious jewel of true embrace.